Hey, what's going on YouTube? In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to unlock any iPhone that you would like to use with any different carrier. And today we're going to be featuring the iPhone 12, so we'll be doing this method with the iPhone 12. As you can see here, I have a couple of different models here. We have the 8 Plus, we have the X, and I'm going to be showing you guys how easy it is to actually get your device carrier unlocked. Whether you wanted to use it with a different company out of a contract that you got it from, say you wanted to use it out of the country, say you wanted to just use your device with a prepaid company, this is going to be the cheapest and fastest way to carrier unlock your iPhone 12, iPhone X, whatever iPhone you might possibly have, all the way down to the 5 and 6, up to what we have currently at the 12 Pro Max. So we're going to squeeze that in. And if you're interested in this, make sure to drop a like on the video and make sure that you're subscribed with the bell notifications turned on for premium finance content, tech news, and things of this nature. So now it's time to get into the video. So first things first, you're going to want to make sure that you have access to Wi-Fi nearby because you're going to need Wi-Fi in order to complete this process. The next thing that you're going to need to check off the list is make sure that you have your device. Step number 2, make sure your device is on the latest software update, because without Wi-Fi or the latest software update being installed in your device, you will not have a successful attempt when unlocking any of the devices that you're trying to unlock. Alrighty guys, so here we are. Now we have all 3 devices here. If you put in a SIM card in your phone that is not made by the same exact carrier as the phone was made for, you're going to end up getting a sign like this. You have the white screen here, and so let's go ahead and give it a go. So first things first, go ahead and open up the SIM tray right here on the bottom left of the device. Next, what we're going to do is grab our unlock chip like this. So we're going to go ahead and put the device in as such. And if you're interested in purchasing something like this to go ahead and get your device unlocked as well, I'm going to leave it in the description down below where you'll be able to get one for yourself and do this on your own. So now what we're going to do is just make sure everything's lined up. When it is, everything will be smooth as such right here. And then once you have everything in like that, it's flush. As you can see, the SIM card, the unlock chip, everything is flush with the SIM tray. That's how you're going to want it to be. You don't want to force it. You don't want to cause any type of damage to happen. If it's not fitting, you need to readjust everything. And now we're going to go ahead and wait for the pop-up. So let's give it a moment. Alright, so when you put the SIM card you want to use along with your unlock chip in the device, this is what you're going to want to look out for right here. So we have the black pop-up. Go ahead and select Edit ICCID. You might have to do it once or twice. Click on it. And next what you're going to want to do is type in the new ICCID code that comes with every single unlock chip. So when you order it, they will send you a little pamphlet with the updated ICCID chip. And this changes not too frequently, but it does change. So make sure that you have the correct one, because if you don't, it will not work either. So we're going to go ahead and just finish up inputting the last couple of numbers here. And what I really recommend, because sometimes you might have to input this once or twice, sometimes 3 times, just when you get that full number in, go ahead and just do a select all copy, just so that if it doesn't go through, you can paste it. Now send it. You see it didn't go through the first time around, not a problem. So let's go ahead, select all, delete, paste. Perfect. So you're gonna go ahead and keep doing it if it makes you do it a second time until you see OK. Next, go ahead and hit accept. And just give the device a moment to reboot. It's accepting the new ICCID code in the new software, so just give it a moment. Regularly, if your device is not unlocked, this is where it will end here for you. It will continue to say SIM not supported or not able to be activated. Please contact your service provider. But here, once it starts working, you'll be able to see that it's going to allow us to get to the home screen. So let's go ahead and do that. Next, what we're going to do is continue and give it a few minutes just to activate. Perfect. So once that white screen has passed, you should be taken straight to the home screen. Now, of course, here I know there's a couple people who are going to point out the fact that there are no bars at the top where it says no service, but that is because the SIM card that we're using is not an active SIM card at the moment. We're about to unlock these other devices here and also activate the SIM cards for them, because these are for my customers and I do have an unlocking business, so I do this quite frequently. And I just wanted to show you that the same method that works for the 8 Plus or the X will still also work for the latest iPhone 12 series. And so this is how you do it regularly. If the SIM's activated, you won't have to do anything from here. All you need to do is just make sure your SIM card is activated, and you'll see service bars at the top here with the name of your carrier. And that would be all you'd need to do to unlock your iPhone 12. It took me just about 2 or 3 minutes. Make sure you have that latest ICCID code. Like I said, if you're interested in a product like this, you can go ahead and get it in the description down below, where I'll have where you can get the ICCID if you already have the unlock chip, or if you need the unlock chip, you can purchase that and it will come with your exclusive ICCID. Alrighty guys, well that's going to be how you go ahead and unlock your iPhone 12 in under 2 minutes. I hope you guys enjoyed the video and got some value out of it. If you did, please be sure to just drop a like, and that's going to be the end of today's video. So thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll be seeing you guys in the next one. Peace.